So if you're in affiliate marketing, if you really don't know who Spencer Mecham is, I really don't know what you know. So hey guys, what's up? RJ here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about the new course that is coming up, which is Affiliate Secrets 3.0 by Spencer Mecham. If you guys really don't know who Spencer is a 7-figure affiliate marketer. He literally made over, like, let's say only $3 million with ClickFunnels alone, which made him, like, the top affiliate in ClickFunnels. And also he's also top affiliate in many other affiliate programs as well, which is crazy. So he had a course which was Affiliate Secrets 2.0, which was pretty awesome course, like talked about a lot of things like organic and paid. And now like he's on the launch mode, or by the time of this video he's on the launch mode of his another updated version of his course, which is Affiliate Secrets 3.0. He is talking a deep dive more into many other traffic sources that he started to build out later on, and which worked like really good for him. So we're gonna do a quick review about that, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and be sure to like the video, and we're gonna go into the screen. So if you can see on the screen out there, if you haven't, right now this course is not available by the time of this video, but if you get the Affiliate Secrets 2.0, which is the previous version of the course that you can probably that you can probably see over here, which is like this Affiliate Secrets traffic region, and on the second page it's the course itself, which was Affiliate Secrets 2.0. So if you haven't if you get like Affiliate Secrets 2.0 right now before the launch of Affiliate Secrets 3.0, you can just you can get the access of Affiliate Secrets 3.0 right away. Otherwise you can just go in and wait for it, but and then go in and buy. Here's the Affiliate Secrets 2.0. So for now, if you really want to get Affiliate Secrets 3.0 right away, so when you buy Affiliate Secrets 2.0, you're gonna get the access of Affiliate Secrets 3.0 as well. So the link of the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is gonna be in the description down below, and I'm gonna talk about the bonuses, which literally gonna help you guys like crazy. So we're gonna do a walkthrough of what the new course is all about and how the course is working. So, and then let's move on. So we're gonna go for the Affiliate Secrets 3.0 first. So in the Affiliate Secrets 3.0, like again, Affiliate Secrets big picture, I followed Spencer Mecham out there when I started out. Even right now, I learned a lot with Spencer because as an affiliate marketer, you have to understand a lot of different aspects, even in terms of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not just, spamming your links out there in the groups and hoping that you're going to make some money. So the very first module is about niche, finding your niche out there. What is your particular niche is? Is it health, wealth, relationship? Let's say if it's wealth, how you can go in and narrow down even more. How you can like make that thing work out for you. What is the best niche for you out there? The module 2 is like product. You have to understand, after deciding your niche, what are the products that you need to go for, and what are the products you need to make sure you promote as an affiliate, because promoting product also plays a lot of role, or a huge role, of how you're trying to position yourself in the marketplace. Module 3 is about lead magnets. If you don't know what lead magnets is, lead magnet is kind of a product out there, probably free, used to get the address of the person out there by giving them something. So talking about the lead magnet itself, and why designing and delivering lead magnet, how that works. Number 4 is landing pages, how to create a bridge page. If you really don't know what bridge page is, bridge page is basically used to cover get the email of the person out there who's trying to get on that particular affiliate product. It's kind of a bridge and a landing page between the main affiliate product and the customer itself. They enter the email and then go to the main affiliate link, and you, in the reward, you get the email address of them, because again, money is in the list. So Spencer is talking about that. I believe Spencer is talking about pages and everything out there, mostly in ClickFunnels. If you really don't know what ClickFunnels is, there is a video on the eye or somewhere over here. You can go in and check that out if you really don't know what ClickFunnels is. And then email marketing. Email marketing plays a lot of role out there as well. Not only when you start out, because when you start out, you're trying to build your list, and you don't have that much of an audience in your email list where you can sell it. But email list is literally the only thing that you own. That is the reason why having an email list plays a big role out there, because when you're compounding your email list, you have, like, let's say if you have like 10,000 people, you have 10,000 people where you can reach out all of them in a single click, which is awesome. So that is the reason why email marketing plays a lot of role, especially in affiliate marketing as well. And then there are different type of email out there: soap opera, like shotgun, anatomy of affiliate sequence, like how the affiliate sequence should be lined up, examples of it, so many things out there. Literally, there are so many aspects when it comes to affiliate marketing, and Spencer knows almost like all of them. He's a literal expert when it comes to affiliate marketing, like 7 figures. This is really good. Bonuses, let's say if you're selling any product out there, Spencer is talking about when to use bonuses, best kind of bonuses, landing page. Like when you're selling an affiliate product, you're not the only person who's literally selling the affiliate product. There are so many other people out there who are selling affiliate product as well. Bonuses, or you can say offer, is something out there that makes yourself unique out of other people who are selling the exact same product, even though they have some different offer. But if you have an offer that is unique to you, people are gonna get attracted to it. So I also have an offer. If you stick to the end of the video, you're gonna get to know about that, about Affiliate Secrets 3.0. Okay, the next thing is JV launches. JV launches plays incredible role out there when you're either promoting as an affiliate out there, or you are as a product owner. When you really know what are the products that are launching at the moment, and there's a process called launch jacking. Spencer have already told about that in Affiliate Secrets 2.0 as well, and probably in 3.0 as well. When there are products that are about to launch, you start to create content, and you start to be in all of Google, in all of YouTube. When their product gets launched, you start to make more money, because mostly not many people were creating content when that product was about to launch. So that part also play a lot of role. The module 8 is about a pro tip. There are some other pro tips out there which is also necessary. And AdWords, Spencer have spent a lot of money out there on AdWords out there. He literally made a lot of money using AdWords as well, and he really knows. And he was kind of an SEO as well in the past when he started out, before getting into like kind of entrepreneurship or like affiliate marketing. So he really understand the SEO part, and really understand like how keywords actually work when running paid ads as well, especially on Google AdWords as well. So he's talking about like how auction work, how keywords work, how campaigns and ad campaigns and everything, like how it really works. He really knows his stuff. Another module that you can say another module that they kind of have is Affiliate Secrets traffic, or the Affiliate Secrets 3.0 traffic edition. It's specifically about traffic in Affiliate Secrets 3.0, which is crazy, because before creating Affiliate Secrets 2.0 and after in the process of 3.0, almost like 2 or 3 years, there were so many things that have changed in terms of like organic, paid traffic, and so many other social media traffic started to add on that as well. So the first module is about Facebook organic. If you want to make money fast, not like rich quick scheme, want to make money fast, then Facebook organic definitely is a way, because it helps you to make money way faster in comparative to, let's say, email marketing, because it's kind of a long term. And also in terms of YouTube depends upon anything. Sometimes it just blew up like crazy. So it's like organic, daily post, how you can do it, like how everything works out. And then YouTube is one of the best ways to do it, but it's kind of a mid and long term. It's not short term out there, because there are some video content they're gonna stay, let's say, like for 9 months. First 8 months it's probably not working, or the 9th month it blew up like crazy. So search versus social, what type of videos you want to post, content ideas, how to creating video and tools, how to batch, how to outline, algorithm on page, like everything, the things which are really necessary. He's talking about everything. He really knows his stuff. That's the main thing. That is the only reason I follow Spencer out there. TikTok, I believe so last year Spencer started to use TikTok out there when he saw other people who was literally leveraging YouTube out there as an affiliate marketer, making so much money. Spencer just went in, and he was like, he literally outlasted every single other person out there. I guess his 3rd or 2nd video was viral, 2 million, 3 million views, which is crazy. So he really knows how to do an intro, how to have an engagement, how to use the editor, how to come up with the content ideas when it comes to TikTok marketing, and algorithm, watch time, and other random tips as well, and how to do the call to action, and so many things. Facebook groups is also one of the really good ways out there to really go in and talk about how you can really go in and do the stuff in terms of like using Facebook groups in terms of traffic. And blogging as well. Blogging is also kind of a long-term process, to be very honest. Terminologies, blogging terminologies, what are the products you need, how to go buy your domain, how to install WordPress hosting, make these small changes. Also like how to stay consistent with blogging as well. Blogging is also kind of like mid-term, long-term, because you have to put up like consistent content out there just to make sure everything looks good or everything works good. So these were the things that are really included into the recent Affiliate Secrets 3.0. If you want to jump on before it get launched, you can get the Affiliate Secrets 2.0 version, and you're gonna get this version with it. So the links are gonna be in the description down below. So the price of getting Affiliate Secrets 3.0 is at the moment is almost the same. You just get Affiliate Secrets 2.0, which is at $897 with so many value that he's really providing with direct implementation out there. It's just $897, and I really believe there's gonna be $897 as well apart from when he's gonna launch. So I wanted to talk about the pricing structure as well. It's $897, and yeah, and let's talk about the bonuses I have when you're gonna sign up for Affiliate Secrets through my link. So here are my bonuses that you're probably gonna get when you sign up for the Affiliate Secrets 3.0. I think in terms of affiliate marketing, they are the biggest problem people have. They don't know how to start or when to start or where to start. Even though they have the content, they get stuck in doing the direct implementation. The very first thing that I'm going to provide when you get Affiliate Secrets 2.0 or 3.0 when it's going to get launched is a 60-minute consultation call with me, where I'm going to let you know, okay, this is your process from start to the end. This is your framework, and that's how you're going to go in and lead in long-term, short-term, or mid-term. All the three ways. The second bonus I'm going to provide is Spencer talks about like all the other traffic sources out there. I literally used most of them, not all of them. I haven't used like blogging at the moment. I'm trying to go for the TikTok, but apart from that, I had done Facebook. I have Facebook organic. I've made like multiple 5 figures with it. With YouTube, multiple 5 figures, even with Facebook groups. So I'm gonna talk about, and I'm gonna give you the proper strategy out there. I'm gonna help you out with Facebook organic. When we're gonna jump on call and we're gonna have full access with each other. So I'm gonna teach you how to really go in and implement that Facebook organic stuff. I'm gonna be helping you out in setting your YouTube channel out there, because even though I don't have that much subscriber, more subscriber doesn't mean more money. You can make more money with less subscriber as well, if you really know how to do it, especially with affiliate marketing. I'm gonna help you out in building out your YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be helping you out in understanding how to leverage and go in with Facebook groups as well. So these are main two of bonuses out there. The third bonus I'm gonna provide is a CommentFunnels software. CommentFunnels allows you to automate the process of commenting on 2-step posts on automation. That's the third bonus I'm going to provide. The fourth bonus, what I'm going to provide is you as a whole CRM software, which is customer relationship manager software, which helps you to mark those people out there as your CRM, as your lead, change their status, sends them the first message on automation, send them the friend request on automation. So you're literally targeting valuable people or your dream customers from Facebook organically. So it's a full whole CRM out there. I literally love it. So these are the main 4 bonuses. First is the consultation call. The second is I'm gonna help you out in Facebook organic and YouTube and the Facebook process. Third thing is the CommentFunnels software, and the fourth thing is the super sweet partners, which is the whole CRM. So these are the main 4 things I'm gonna provide when you're gonna sign up for Affiliate Secrets 2.0 before Affiliate Secrets 3.0 gets launched, or if you buy it right away at Affiliate Secrets 3.0 launched. So the link is going to be in the description down below. Once you get it, just message me on Facebook or Instagram, or just do it, or just email me out there that, hey, I just purchased Spencer's course or Affiliate Secrets 3.0 through your affiliate link. Send me over the bonuses. So we're going to start from there. So yeah, guys, this is it for now. This was a review of Affiliate Secrets 3.0, which is coming at the moment, and we're definitely going to see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.